morning. Today we start a chapter 4, exercise 4.4. This is the last exercise, and solve the question 1. Find the nature of the root of the following quadratic equation. If the real root exists, find them. यहाँ पे एक quadratic equation दिया है, उसके हमें nature of the root find करना है quadratic equation के. उसके बाद उस real root exist हो तो फाइंड दैट, उसका सॉल्यूशन भी फाइंड करना है, मींस रूट भी फाइंड करना है. इफ रियल रूट एग्जिस्ट मींस देयर आर थ्री कंडीशंस. इफ b लेस देन 0 देन रूट डज नॉट एग्जिस्ट, डू नॉट एग्जिस्ट. इफ b इज इक्वल टू 0 देन रूट्स आर रियल एंड इक्वल. इफ b इज ग्रेटर देन 0 therefore रूट्स आर रियल एंड डिस्टिंक्ट. रिमेंबर दिस थियरी पार्ट. ओके. 2x square minus 3x plus 5 is equal to 0 if is a quadratic equation. Comparing with the standard form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a is equal to 2, b is equal to negative 3 and c is equal to 5. First we find the discriminant, that is equal to d, that means d is equal to b square minus 4ac. b, that means negative 3 square minus 4, a is equal to 2 and c is equal to 5. b square, negative 3 square is positive 9, minus 5 to the 10 for the 40, 9 minus 40 that is negative 31. If b is less than 0, remember this theory part, if b is less than 0 then the given equation has no real roots, root do not exist. Okay, that question is finished. root उसके नहीं मिल सकते तो उसके हमें root फाइंड करने के आगे कोई जरूरत नहीं. Second one, 3x square minus 4 square root 3 plus 4 is equal to 0. Comparing with the standard form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, a is equal to 3, b is equal to negative 4 square root 3 and c is equal to 4. Therefore, a, b and c find the values in quadratic equation. Substitute all this value in discriminant. A is equal to b square minus 4ac. b means minus 4 square root 3 whole square minus 4, a that means 3 and c that means 4. 4 square root 3 whole square. 4 square is 16. Root 3 square is 3. 4 square is 16. Root 3 square is 3. 16 into 3 that is 48. And 4 4 16 into 3 that is 48. 48 minus 48, b is equal to 0. If b is equal to 0 then roots are real and equal. The given equation has equal root, real roots. Both roots are equal. That means roots are minus b by 2a. Remember this theory part. b is equal to negative 4 under root 3, therefore negative into negative 4 under root 3 divided by 2 into 3, negative negative positive 4 under root 3 divided by 2 into 3. 4 means 2 2s are 4, 2 square root 3 and 3 is equal to root 3 into root 3. First we cancel 2 2s are 4, 2 in numerator 2 root 3 divided by 3, 3 means square root 3 into square root 3. Both square root 3 will be cancelled out. Therefore, roots are 2 divided by root 3. Therefore, the roots are 2 by root 3 and 2 by root 3. Okay. Third question. 2x square minus 6x plus 3 is equal to 0. Comparing with the standard form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. That means a is equal to 2, b is equal to negative 6 and c is equal to 3. Substitute a, b, c value in this discriminant. D is equal to b square minus 4ac. Minus 6 square minus 4, a that means 2 and c that means 3. Negative 6 square that is 36 and 4 to the 8 here 24. 36 minus 24 that is equal to 12. 12 is a greater than 0. Greater than 0 there are two possibilities. If b is a perfect square or not. Here 12 is not a perfect square. That means roots are real and distinct. Therefore the given equation has two distinct real roots. Two distinct real roots. Both roots are x is equal to negative b plus or minus square root b divided by 2a. Negative b is equal to negative 6, therefore negative b is equal to positive 6 plus or minus b is equal to root 12 divided by 2 into a is root 2. 6 plus or minus 12 means 4 3s are 12. 4 into 3 that is equal to 12, but square root of 12 is 2 square root 3. 4 3s are 12. 4 square root is 2 and root 3 as it is. Divided by 2 into 2 here. Numerator 2 is common. Remaining term into bracket 3 plus or minus square root 3 divided by 2 into 2. Both 2 will be cancelled out. Therefore, remaining term is 3 plus or minus square root 3 divided by 2. Therefore, x is equal to 3 plus square root 3 divided by 2, otherwise 3 minus square root 3 divided by 2. Therefore, the roots are 3 plus square root 3 divided by 2, 3 minus square root 3 divided by 2. That is, first question is finished. Question number 2. This is an important question for the exam. Find the values of k. हमें k की वैल्यू फाइंड करनी है. For each of the following quadratic equation. क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन के जरिए हमें क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन दिया है, उसके ऊपर से हमें k की वैल्यू फाइंड करनी है. So that they have two equal roots. उसमें दिया है दोनों रूट्स इक्वल है. Two equal roots means discriminant is equal to 0. Remember this one. Two equal roots, that means discriminant is equal to 0. D is equal to 0 होना चाहिए. Okay? Here, first question. 2x square plus kx plus 3 is equal to 0. First comparing with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. That means a is equal to positive 2, b is equal to positive k, c is equal to 3. First we find the discriminant d is equal to b square minus 4ac. b square means a square minus 4, a is equal to 2, c is equal to 3. Therefore a square minus 24, b is equal to k square minus 24. But here the roots, two roots are equal. Means here two equal roots. Then d is equal to 0. d is equal to 0, that means k square minus 24 is equal to 0. Therefore k whole square minus 24 means 4, 6 are 24. Square root of 4 is 2. Square root 6 whole square. 24 means 4, 6 are 24. Square root of 4 is 2 and square root 6 whole square is equal to 0. Therefore a square minus b square identity applying. A minus b into a plus b. K minus 2 square root 6. K plus 2 square root 6 is equal to 0. Therefore either k minus 2 square root 6 is equal to 0 or k plus 2 square root 6 is equal to 0. Therefore k is equal to 2 square root 6 or k is equal to negative 2 square root 6. Therefore both values possible for k. तो यहाँ पे हमें कहा है k की वैल्यू फाइंड करो, तो k की वैल्यू हमें फाइंड कर दी, तो k की दो वैल्यू पॉसिबल हो सकती है. ओके. हियर सेकंड वन, kx into bracket x minus 2 plus 6. kx into bracket x minus 2 plus 6 is equal to 0. First we simplify this bracket. kx into x, kx square minus 2kx plus 6 is equal to 0. Comparing with the standard form ax plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Therefore a is equal to k, b is equal to negative 2k and c is equal to positive 6. Substitute all these values in discriminant b is equal to b square minus 4ac. Therefore that is equal to minus 2k whole square minus 4k and 6. Minus 2k square, that is 4k square minus 24 into k. Here the two equal roots, then d is equal to 0. 4k square minus 24k is equal to 0. Here 4k is common, into bracket k minus 6 is equal to 0. Therefore either 4k is equal to 0 or k minus 6 is equal to 0. 4k is equal to 0, that means k is equal to 0, or k minus 6 is equal to 0, that means k is equal to 6. Here k is equal to 0 not possible, because if k is equal to 0, then whole term will be 0. Therefore 6 is equal to 0 is never be possible. Remember this one. If k is equal to 0, then whole term will be 0. Then 6 is equal to 0 is not possible mathematically. Therefore k is equal to 0 is not possible. Therefore only possible value k is equal to 6. Understand friends? Okay, thank you.